In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Hostinger. Email forwarding is an incredibly helpful feature, especially if you manage multiple email addresses and want to streamline your communication into one primary inbox. Whether you're managing a personal website, a small business, or a larger enterprise, consolidating your emails can save you time and minimize the chances of missing an important message. So, let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account through the H panel. If you haven't logged in yet, just head over to the Hostinger website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you should find yourself at the H panel's main dashboard. This is where you manage all your hosting services and domains, so get comfortable navigating this area as it will be quite handy for a lot of tasks. Now, let's locate the email management section. You'll want to navigate to the Emails tab. Once there, look for the option to manage your domain's specific email settings. If you're like most users, you'll probably see several domains listed, so just make sure you're clicking on the right one associated with the email you want to forward. After clicking Manage, you'll be taken to a more detailed page for your domain's email controls. Here, you should notice a sidebar. Keep an eye out for the Forwarders option in this sidebar. This is your gateway to setting up email forwarding, so go ahead and click on it. If, by chance, you see the term internal forwarding and you're using Titan Email, don't worry. This just means that there's a different method you'll need to follow. For our standard setup today, we'll continue with our current method. Let's move on to creating your forwarder, which is the core of this setup. You'll find an option to create a forwarder. Click on it, and this will open up a form where you'll specify the details of your forwarding instructions. First, you'll need to choose the From mailbox. This is simply the email address from your domain that you wish to forward. For instance, if your domain is yourdomain.com, your address might look something like you@yourdomain.com. Select the appropriate one from the list. Next, enter the destination email, where you'd like your Hostinger emails to be forwarded. This could be any external email address, such as yourname@gmail.com, or wherever you prefer your emails to be consolidated. Now, there is an additional option here in your forwarder setup, the Save Copies toggle. If you're wondering what this does, it simply allows you to retain a copy of the emails on Hostinger while they get forwarded to your chosen destination. If you think you might need an archive or a backup of your emails, it's a good idea to toggle this option on. Once you've filled in these details and made your selection regarding saving copies, the last thing to do is click Create. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding for your Hostinger domain. Now all emails sent to your domain-specific email address will be seamlessly forwarded to your chosen destination, making your email management a breeze. This process may seem complex initially, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find that managing your emails efficiently is hugely beneficial. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.